how to trim voice memos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to trim your voice memos in just a few simple steps. So tap on the voice memo that you want to edit, and then you will see three dots on the top right. Tap on it, and then you'll see edit recording option. Tap on it. And then again on the top right, you'll see three dots again. Go ahead and click on it and you'll see copy transcript and trim option. Tap on trim, and now you'll see yellow sliders on the bottom. So what you have to do is you have to drag the yellow line to where you want it to end. So like this, I'll drag it forward, and I can also start the video, audio late, so I can drag the slider, and there you go. That is how you trim it. Just tap on trim, and you can even delete the parts that you don't want on the video. So if I don't want the few parts, I'll drag the yellow slider to that part and then tap on delete, and that part will be deleted. It's as simple as that. Now tap on apply. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.